When you say I'm boring instead of I am bored, you're just making a grammar mistake. You're accidentally rebranding your entire identity as a character flow, right? So today, let's destroy this dangerous little English trap. So, one tiny suffix can completely, change who you are in conversation, right? Bored versus boring. So one describes your temporary feeling and the other describes your entire personality. And millions of English learners accidentally use the wrong one every single day. So here, welcome back to the Language Nerds. I am Raj, where we make English simple, powerful, and impossible to forget. Today we are going to talk about one of the most common English mistakes in the world. I am boring. And trust me, native speakers hear this mistake all the time. But the scary part is this mistake, right? Don't just sound incorrect. It changes the meaning of your identity, right? So when you say I'm boring, right, you're not saying I feel bored right now. You're actually saying my personality makes other people lose interest, and that's brutal. S Imagine there is this person A, right? He says he asks you, "How was the meeting?" And you say, "I'm boring." Now the listener is thinking, "Wait, you are boring, like as a person?" Now, this is why this mistake feels so awkward in conversation, right? Because you're turning a temporary situation, that's boredom, into a permanent personality description. So here's the big rule. In English, we use two different adjective forms, right? Adjective with ed, examples bored, bored, tired, tired, excited with ed, confused again with ed, right? So here how it works. How do I feel? Examples: I am tired. She is excited. We are confused. I am bored, not I am boring. Now there's another adjective here with ing. These describes, the thing causing the feeling. Example: boring, tiring, exciting, confusing. Right? Here, this is how it works. Okay, what causes the feeling? The movie is boring, right? What made you bored? The movie. So the movie is boring. The exam was confusing. The trip was exciting. So one tiny ending that is ed versus ing completely changes the direction of the emotion. Okay, so compare these. I am boring, which means I make people feel bored. I am bored. That's the correct phrase, meaning something is making me bored, right? Another example: I'm exciting. It means I make people feel excited, right? But the correct sentence would be I'm excited, which means I am feeling excitement right now, right? Um, let's look at some of the fast paced common mistakes here. So, I'm very confusing. Go ahead and put in the correct section. In the comment section, what would be the correct phrase for this? I am very confusing, right? Then the next is my teacher is bold. I am interesting in football. Okay, of another few seconds. You have put that in the comment section. Good. And I'm going to give you the answers now. Okay. So the first one, I'm very confusing, will be I am confused. My teacher is bored. No, my teacher is boring. I'm interested in football. No, I'm interested in football. Right? So if you say I'm depressing, you didn't just describe your mood, right? You described your entire aura. It's an easy trick. ED equals emotion, and when you use ing, is the influence. What's causing that emotion, right? So ask yourself, am I feeling confusing? Use ed. So I'm confused. Am I causing the feeling? Then use ing. That's it. It's as simple as that. So remember, I'm boring means your personality is boring. I am bored means you simply feel bored right now, right? One small suffix can completely change how people understand you. And once you master this pattern, your English instantly sounds more natural, confident, and intelligent. So if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the Language Nerds India for more powerful English lessons, and comment below what English mistake confused you the most. And again, you're watching Language Nerds India. I'm Raj, and I will see you in the next video.